this space. Walk-in closet.
With an air conditioning.
What is this? Oh, it's hot wings. This is exact house that we picked for House Hunters International.
This is not what I'm looking for. Chris wants to live like they're on vacation. For Paulina, it's a practical decision.
I don't want to throw our kids into the deep end.
Where do we sign?
Whoa, hold your horses.
All right, guys, this is the front of our house. It's pretty large in size. We definitely want to go inside and give you a tour, but this is exact house that we picked for House Hunters International.
The style is modern, but it looks actually much better on the inside than here on the outside, and it's really much bigger.
All right, let's take a look at the house. Now, this is the big door. Okay. Hi, Mom.
We love this space. Look at that.
He has to always welcome us. Say hi. Say hi, Baba. All right, so yeah, this was one of the biggest features for us for what we wanted, is the fact that there's so much space. Honestly, this house is very big. We don't use all of it, but this main floor is what sold us on renting this place out. So that was a huge experience for us because we never had this kind of space. In fact, for the amount of money that we're spending here, we were not spending in Chicago, or we were spending even more in Chicago for a smaller house. So this is something that we really wanted. We wanted that whole entire space, the high ceilings. And what I loved about this house is that it already came furnished. And the owner of this house is really great at getting back to us, and it just felt fresh and clean. And it was something that we love, the fact that it was in the neighborhood that we chose because it was close to the school of our kids.
We're also going back and forth between the style of the house, between something more traditional, more Mexican, with more colors and vibrance, versus modern and very functional.
Yeah.
And I think this house is the perfect mixture of Mexican style and the modern contemporary setting. So just take a look at all the colors, all the textures, everything that makes this really amazing interior.
All right, so as soon as you get into the house, you have a bathroom right here. As you can take a little peek-see here.
And it connects to our would-be office.
Or what? Oh yes, it was supposed to be our office, but we're like, this is not gonna be our office because it just shows our garage. But we use it as a guest bedroom, and we also use it as our children's playroom, which is crazy because they've never had a playroom before. They all had their toys in their separate bedrooms in Chicago, so this was really nice that they can have their space and their own space, even though they still come out to the other area. But nonetheless, they have all their toys here and all these drawers here, so yay to that.
What the kids' playroom was supposed to be our office, but we didn't really want to be confined in this little closed space when we could have this. So we transformed the dining room table, which is massive, into our office. We have our computer set up, the extra monitors, and I originally really wanted ocean view. We were like, I thought we were moving to Mexico, we should have ocean view. It was not really feasible with our family, with
nor
moving
our
into,
budget.
Yeah, so we had to settle for a swimming pool view, but it just works out just fine for me.
Yeah. Let's see the kitchen. Now, this kitchen is massive. There is a lot of space here, a lot of storage, let alone the storage in itself here is amazing.
It came with all the dishes, the mugs, plates, everything. So it's ready just to move in and start cooking those Mexican tacos.
Yeah, ready to rock and roll. And here I'm actually preparing some chicken. I'm going to be making mole today. All right, anyways, so this place also has a refrigerator, the stove, the microwave, but what it doesn't have, and a lot of people I'm sure maybe will be asking, is the dishwasher. I do honestly actually miss the dishwasher, but you can technically put one under here. You would just have to ask if you can do that.
Also, the fridge doesn't have an ice maker, so we just went ahead and we bought an ice maker on Amazon, so we always have fresh ice made.
So here we have the fridge. Dun, dun, dun.
What's in the fridge?
What's in the fridge? Too much stuff. What is this? Oh, it's hot wings. Huh. Oh, and we forgot to eat the flan, Chris. What?
We'll eat it, don't worry.
We'll eat that. Anyways, but yeah, we have some wings. We have Domino's. Very Mexican. No, we also have our share of panela cheese. I have my tortillas, not corn. I have my flour tortillas, our eggs. Actually,
the taco sauce that we brought from the States.
yeah, I know a lot of people got on me about that. I love Taco Bell, and I know this is not Taco Bell sauce, but this will do it. But yeah, we do. And we have our milks here. Oh, and then let's check out the pantry. Yeah, this is a lot of space here. You can obviously buy racks and put all this stuff up there. I just didn't because, you know, if we're gonna be moving again, I didn't want to have the hassle of then selling it and whatnot. And then you have our water here.
We don't drink the tap water. You probably shouldn't either. But here we have water service that brings those big jugs of water every few weeks, and we just drink it like this.
This little device we bought at Walmart for about $10. You press it and it comes out. Or I get too irritated because it takes forever to come out, and I just pour it. All right, and most importantly, what we wanted was a pool in the house. We've never had that before, so we got that. Well, let's come back to that. But we're gonna go upstairs. Come along. We're gonna take a little bit of a hike upstairs. So we have the office downstairs with the bathroom that we've showed you. And now we have 3 bedrooms upstairs. So 1 for each of our kids and then our master. Let's take a look at the bedrooms. So here is 1 bedroom. Has its AC, most important for me and for our kids. They're always asking about, they're too hot in the summertime. So that's great. We also have the balcony that you can see the pool area. So the kids have their own bathrooms and the rooms are twinning. So it's basically what the other one has, the other one gets the same. So there's no fighting. You got a sink, you got a toilet, and you got a shower. What else do you need? You have a lot of storage space.
So now let's go and
cross the bridge.
let's go visit our kingdom, our master bedroom.
Misha. So the magic that happens here is sleep. We get a lot of sleep. No, we don't. But yes, I have my massive air conditioning. I love you.
There's shiny tile on the floor. Then we have those multiple colors on the ceiling in real wood that wraps all around the ceiling and comes down. And then we have raw concrete on this wall. So it's really cool. There's a lot of dynamics in this room.
And I think that any woman that really loves a big closet, I think that this closet will do just that.
Yeah, this house is overall pretty impressive, but the one thing that everyone goes like, wow, is this. The walk-in closet.
With an air conditioning. Yeah, this is another bedroom. Honestly, this is another bedroom. We don't have enough clothes to even fill all this shelving between Chris and I, but it is just massive. You have a huge shower.
Oh, and what I love about this bathroom is that if the other person is showering and you're doing your business here, you can close the door. So that's nice. And it comes with a spritzer. It's not working. I think my butt has to be in there, right, Chris?
I think so.
Oh, well. I'm not gonna show you how to use the bathroom.
Of course, it comes with a washer and dryer, and there is special designated washer area here, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah, so we haven't even finished. Let's go check out
the third level. So here we have the electric panel for, what is it called?
This is solar panels.
Oh, so here we have our solar panels.
To cool down this massive house would cost hundreds of dollars every month.
Ew, Chris, look. Ew. Look
What's going on?
A cockroach, but thank God we fumigate, so I don't think.
Hey, buddy.
All right, now we're gonna pass another bathroom here, more storage, and the grand finale of the third floor is
The rooftop deck.
once you're on the rooftop, you never go back. Holy moly.
Yeah, the sun is just crazy. We should have taken our sunglasses.
Yeah.
It's just reflecting from the tile on the floor and it really hurts our eyes.
And I forgot shoes, and it is hot.
The view is just amazing. We have mountains here. It feels like we could touch them. They're just so close. Everything is so green. It's the rainy season in Puerto Vallarta right now. Everything just looks amazing. The ocean is just literally 10-minute walk to the right. The only downside is the construction right behind us.
Yes. Even our realtor said, like, you know, if you want good, if you want the best to come, you know, there has to be construction. There's new homes, new communities getting built all the time. Hey, now let's take you to our favorite spot.
The best for last.
Save the best for last.
So the best part of the house, our babysitter. Because our
best
boys,
babysitter
Philip and
ever.
Benji,
A babysitter.
they love the pool.
Ben,
They
come
just
here.
hang out here all the time. They
Ben,
come
come
from
here.
school. After school, they go to their after school activities. Sometimes it's swimming, sometimes it's gymnastics. And after that, they come home and they just jump in the pool and stay there for the rest of the day. So instead of sitting on tablets, watching TV, they're just outside all the time, all year long. And this is just awesome. They're excited to get in the pool. The weather here in Mexico is just so hot. It's 85, 90 degrees all year long.
My candy.
So this is one of their favorite things. This slide we got on Amazon was about 150 bucks, and they just jump on it all the time, all day long.
Are you going down, baby?
What?
Let me
What are you doing? No,
Let me give you
no,
my hand,
no,
guys.
no, no.
We got